Most creators think that OpusClip is just for TikToks and Reels, but there's a hidden feature that makes it amazing for full YouTube videos. And it's hiding in plain sight. When I tried OpusClip for the first time, I thought it was just about clipping long-form videos into short vertical videos. But I found out that you can edit 16:9 videos and still use all of the time-saving features usually reserved for vertical videos. I'll show you step by step how to do this. Okay, here's the part most people miss. I'm going to click this video editor button, I'm going to click upload, and then I'm going to choose one of these video files from my camera. OpusClip will upload that video file. It's going to transcribe any talking in that video and then open it up in the OpusClip video editor. And look up here, still 16:9 and not vertical video. This is where it gets interesting. You can do all the normal editing tasks you'd expect, like trimming the starts and ends of clips, cutting out sections, adding text, and even uploading and adding new clips from your hard disk. Pretty straightforward, but that's not the exciting part, because hidden in here are features that will make it feel like you've got your own editor working in the background. For example, if you've got filler words like it can automatically remove those. Luckily in this video I've done a really good job and there's no filler words. Made a mistake? Just click undo. If you want to tighten up your pacing automatically, click remove pauses, choose a pause duration and then click remove. That's going to remove those little pauses and tighten up your video. You can even improve speech and clean up background noise. Listen to this first.
What it might be like to get out and take up landscape.
And then let's turn on speech enhancement. And now listen to the difference.
What it might be like to get out and take up landscape.
That background noise from the ocean is gone. If you need B-roll, OpusClip can find it or generate it for you. Let's select landscape photography. We can choose stock B-roll or generate AI B-roll and move that B-roll anywhere you want. I can even drop in background music. I use Epidemic Sound, so I would go and download one of these tracks from Epidemic Sound and then upload that into Opus. If you want to try out these features yourself, I've linked to OpusClip in this video's description. When you're happy with your edit, click Save Changes. Wait a few seconds for OpusClip to process those changes, and then either download the finished video so you can upload it yourself to YouTube, export an XML file for Premiere Pro or Resolve if you want to do some extra editing in those video editing apps, or even quicker, click this button and publish to social media right from within inside OpusClip. Choose which platforms you want to publish this video for, and then either click Publish Now or choose Select Time and schedule this video to be published at some point in the future. This saves a ton of time having to download and re-upload the videos yourself. So yeah, OpusClip is way more than a simple clipping tool. It's a full editing platform with built-in AI tools that can save you a ton of time. Use the link in the description to get started with OpusClip today. I'm Jason Roberts. Please subscribe and hopefully I'll see you again.